Finding treasure has never been that easy. It's not just a treasure detector, but more than that. It is smart. Bluetooth 4.2 wireless connection, supports iOS, Android. Strong, 240 MHz processor, 12-bit CPU. Deep, detection depth up to 10 meters underground. Not an ordinary treasure detector. It's lightweight, not exceeding 500 grams. Long-lasting, 3.7-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Understands your language. Operating system that supports 23 different languages. Conrad GR-3 and GR-3 Plus. Treasure can't hide anymore.